In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Kahoot app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, by updating your Kahoot app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any errors or issues that you might be experiencing. To do this is quite simple. You need to go ahead and access the app either through Google Play Store or App Store, and then find out if we have an update. So for my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Google Play Store here and then just search for the app like this. And here we go, the Kahoot app is here. Now if you tap on it, you can see we have an update, which means I'm using an outdated version of Kahoot Play and Create Quizzes app. To update it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Kahoot app and then install it on your smartphone. Once this has been installed, you can now proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of Kahoot app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.